Welcome to NovoTempus. Today we are going to go over our agenda feature. If you look over to the left to our side panel, you are going to find our agenda tab. If we click on the agenda tab, you are going to find a today, upcoming, past due, and no due date tabs. Each of these will redirect you to when the new task, intake form, documents, appointments, or emails are due. To look at today, you can scroll down and look at each task, email, document is due, or you can simply apply a filter. We can apply filters by users, so you can select which user you want to look at tasks from, or we can apply filters through our contact types. So for example, if we only wanted to look at the appointments that are for today, the documents, the emails, the intake forms, or the tasks. If I were to click the tasks, it will only show me the tasks that I have due for today. If I look at upcoming, these should only be the tasks that are upcoming. Past due tasks will also display, as well as no due date. To clear the filter, simply clear filter at the bottom of the apply filter, and you will be redirected to all the filters of the day. Under option of every task, you have the option to either view or delete each task. If you view, for example, the task that we had earlier, if you view it, it would redirect you to the matter details and bring you to the specific task that you wanted to view. Under here, we can go ahead, edit, delete, and complete each task. Returning to the agenda feature,